Facebook Messenger allows you to share files like PDFs along with text, images, and videos with your contacts. This is a convenient way to send reports, assignments, invoices, or other important documents. So here's how to send PDF through your Facebook Messenger app. First, open the Facebook Messenger application on your device, log into your account. Now, select the conversation where you want to send your PDF. Then tap on this plus icon that is in the left hand side of the screen in the bottom. Now tap on Files. Go ahead and select the PDF that you want to send in the chat, and it will be instantly sent to the person that you've selected. You'll see the sent indication in the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll be done. Your contact will receive the PDF as an attachment, which they can download or view directly within the Messenger app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.